For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
The Congress party has trained its guns at the Modi government over its handling of the pandemic and lockdown. Congress has also slammed the centre over a host of issues, including the clash at Galwan Valley and economic fallout of the lockdown. Rahul Gandhi once again hit out at Prime Minister Narendra Modi over the Manrega scheme. Rahul Gandhi attacked Prime Minister Modi, saying it is Manrega that is helping the poor during this economic slump caused by the PM's policies. Rahul Gandhi took to Twitter to express his anger. Modi ji had said that people are made to just dig pits under Manrega, but the truth is that it is Manrega that is pulling out the poor from the pit of economic slump that has been dug by PM Modi. Rahul Gandhi went on to say that without Manrega, the poor would have been badly affected. He also shared a graph showing the slump in jobs and the rising Manrega demand during the coronavirus crisis. A few weeks ago, Rahul Gandhi took a dig at the Prime Minister over the same issue. Rahul Gandhi thanked PM Modi for allocating 40,000 crore rupees funds for Manrega. After thanking PM Modi, Rahul took a dig at him for making a U-turn on the same. The Prime Minister has approved an additional budget of 40,000 crore rupees for the Manrega scheme created during the UPA era. We express our gratitude to him for understanding the vision of Manrega and promoting it. The Congress and BJP have had tiffs over the Manrega scheme several times in the past. The Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act is a social security measure that aims to guarantee the right to work. The act was passed under the UPA regime in 2005. Rahul had also previously called Modi a satyagrahi, which means one does not believe in the struggle for truth. The Congress and the BJP have been at loggerheads over several issues, especially after the outbreak of the COVID-19 pandemic. On Friday, Rahul Gandhi asked the centre to take immediate steps to contain the spread of COVID-19 as India reported more than 10 lakh infections. 10 lakh figures exceeded. At the same speed COVID-19 is spread, by August 10th, more than 20 lakh will be infected in the country. The government must take concrete planned steps to spot the pandemic. Congress had also hit out at Modi for the economic fallout during the COVID-19 lockdown. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi claimed that millions of families will be destroyed due to the economic mismanagement by the BJP. India's economic mismanagement is a tragedy that is going to destroy millions of families. It will no longer be accepted silently. Rahul Gandhi attached a screenshot of the projections made by the Centre for Monitoring Indian Economy. Congress party compared India's handling of the COVID situation to the policies taken by Western countries to combat the virus. Rahul Gandhi made bold statements and said that lockdown in India has been a complete failure.